Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A38 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the password and security. Then let's tap on system security, and here let's localize the other section and tap on credential storage. And as you can see at the very bottom, we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it, remove all user certificates, and then tap on OK. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but this option is currently inactive, which is a specific type of the evidence that we just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.